So, hi everyone, today we'd like to do a demonstration of the Own-Mailbox prototype. So, as you can see, I have an Own-Mailbox plugged to my internet router, but which is not power supplied yet. And I have as well my computer, which we will use in order to access the Own-Mailbox. So the first thing we want to do when we use an Own-Mailbox is go to the address my.ownmailbox.com. And actually it will redirect you to your Own-Mailbox when it is plugged at your home. But as the Own-Mailbox is not yet plugged, we can see that it says no Own-Mailbox found, please plug your Own-Mailbox, which is normal. Before continuing, I would like to show you my IP address and that there is no actually web server running on it for now. So I will type my IP. What is my IP? So here's my IP, and I will copy it and I will paste it just here. And so as you can see, it cannot connect to any web server. So this is good. We are going to close this tab, go back to this tab, and actually we are going to plug the Own-Mailbox and see what happens. So I will plug the Own-Mailbox here, and we will have to wait for around 30 seconds for the time it boots up actually. So you can see that on my router there is a LED right here which lights up in order to say that there's it lights up when there is a device connected in Ethernet. So when it will be lit up again, then we will know that the Own-Mailbox is almost ready. In the meantime, I would like to tell you that there will be no HTTPS featured in this video for the simple reason that, as we mentioned on our website, we use Let's Encrypt in order to generate automatically HTTPS certificate, and Let's Encrypt will be released only in December. So the LED is up again, and it means that in a few seconds we should have news on the web page, and it should redirect us to our Own-Mailbox. So here it is. You can see it goes to port forwarding, so it's going to use UPnP in order to simply redirect the port of my router to the Own-Mailbox. So by the way, I would like to show you that we have been redirected to a local IP address, which is the local IP address of my Own-Mailbox. So nothing goes out in the internet, we're connected directly to it, and everything stays in my home. So I'm going to zoom a little bit on the screen. It is. So it asks for an admin password. So basically I will enter an admin password. Here we go, and I will confirm it. Then actually we are required to choose a domain name for our Own-Mailbox. So what I'm going to do is choose random strings for the domain name, so that in order to show that nothing is prepared. So I will go to random.org/strings, and I will generate actually 3 random strings of length 5, and I will choose only lowercase letters. I'll go get the strings, and so my domain name will be meagoo .omb.1. Yes. So, oh no, basically I would like to show you before that this domain name does not exist yet. So, omb.1, and it says adresse introuvable in French. So, basically we are going to confirm that we want this domain name. And so it's loading. So generating SSL key, but it won't be used for now. And I will be able to choose to set up a new self-hosted email address, and I will be able to choose what will be the username before @meagoo.omb.1. So what I'm going to do is choose the second random string, which will be mcccwf. So here it is. I will note the email address right here, because otherwise it will be complicated to remember it. meagoo.org .omb.1. It is. I'll choose a password, so I'll choose a very simple password so that we don't have any problem logging in. And here it is. So basically it's generating a GPG key, and we are into a Roundcube login page. So right now, what I would like to show you is that the webmail is accessible from anywhere in the world. So if I go to this page, meagoo.omb.1, when I will actually refresh it, then I get this same login of Roundcube. When I go to my IP address that we found, then this is the same. And of course I cannot move from my house right now, but what I'm going to do is use a web proxy. Here it is. And so I'm going to go to this address. And I'm going to do go, so it will use another IP address than mine. So it will, it's like if you access it from an external place than my own, and you can see that we get it. By the way, I'd like to show you that if I do dig, so dig meagoo.omb.1, then it redirects to my IP address. Okay, so basically we are now going to log in. So the username is this string. By the way, I just realized that I forgot to I erased it. So I'm going to do this string, and I enter the password, and basically we are in the webmail. So I would like to show you that I'm now able to receive emails at this email address, so mccwf@meagoo.omb.1. So for this purpose, I will go to Gmail. I will go to Gmail. I will connect myself with an existing account. .com. Okay, so next, and okay, so I will enter my password if I remember it, because I never use this account. So yeah, it is. I don't know what this is, like some crazy things that you have to accept so that you can use this service, like you accept to have no privacy at all, basically, I guess. And that's it. So I'm going to enter a new email address. So it's going to be mccwf@meagu.omb.1. So I'm going to say, hi, how are you doing, Pierre? And basically I'm gonna send this message. By the way, I will send the third random string, why not? I will send this message, and it is, I send it, and basically here it is. So we received the message with the random string, how are you doing, Pierre? So great. So our so I just realized that there was a little defocus. So basically now we are going to send an encrypted message, so that I can show you that we are able to send an encrypted message. So I'm going to go and compose. What I'm going to do is actually, basically we should edit identities before, in order to set our name and our email address. So I will go to settings, and then I will go to identities, and I will just actually, because say that my name is Pierre, and my email address, my sending address is meagu.omb.1. Okay, and we are going to do save. Okay, great. So we are going to send an email with this identity now. We are going to do compose, and then we are going to send to contact at own-mailbox.com, which we have a GPG key for. So as you can see, we can choose GPG, private link message, or no encryption. We are going to choose GPG for now. So hi, and what we are going to do is copy the string. And so basically what we are going to do is send this message, and what is going to happen is that it will automatically retrieve the GPG key. For now, it automatically retrieves it, and it doesn't ask anything if there is only one key existing for this email address on the MIT server, which is the case. So I'm going to send it, and here it is. It's been sent, and I will open my email program, which is Kmail, and we will see whether we have received it or not. So in order to receive it, I will have to enter my password. Okay, so I have two passwords to enter. Okay, So this doesn't work for now. I have few emails. Yeah, okay, so the password is here. And then here we are. I'm gonna check the emails. And then we should receive. Okay. Okay, so there are a few emails I received, but mine is here. So you can see that that I received actually an email from Pierre, which is mccwf@miago.onb.1, and this is an encrypted message. Actually, if I do decrypt the message, it asks for my key, for my password key, which I will do, and then we have the random string here. Okay, so just I would like to show you that if we do exactly the same thing, but we so I'll do exactly the same thing, but I'll choose no encryption just to show you test. So test, and I will send it, and basically then I receive it and it's not encrypted. So okay, this video already lasts a quarter of hour. I think we will end up here for now. I would like to tell you that we have decided to release all the source code for this demonstration, which is not all the source code that we've developed here yet, but with this source code anyone could reproduce this demonstration. So basically you can see what's behind the scene, and nothing's really hidden about this demonstration. We'll also release a more simple version of this demonstration with no technical details, so that it's a more shareable version. But of course, it will be less. There will be less information for technical people. I hope you liked this video, and see you soon. By the way, if you don't know about it, we are currently doing a crowdfunding campaign and we need your help. Thanks, and see you soon.